Okay. Morning, everyone. So I hope I'm audible. I think in the last class you went through with a Z transform with respect to final value theorem, initial value theorem, right? And I hope you have solved few problems also. So today we'll deal with a next major concept called inverse Z transform. So I'm audible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So take heading as inverse Z transform. Just hold on. Yeah, write on the heading as inverse Z transform. ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Write on the heading as inverse Z transform. So in this inverse Z transform topic, major thing, so 10 to 15 marks you can expect here. So there are two major topics. One is power series expansion method, nothing but a longest division technique. I'll repeat. First one is power series expansion method, nothing but longest division technique. Second one is partial fraction. So I hope you are aware about this partial fraction in your mathematics, right? So same thing we are incorporating here to learn your Z transform also. So now what is the thing you're going to learn here? What all things you are done in your Z domain means Z transform. You are converted time domain to frequency domain. Now if you want to get back the time domain means I need to apply my inverse Z transform concept that will give me a question what we have started means time domain to frequency is Z transform, frequency to time domain is inverse Z transform. Am I clear till here? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so first heading you can go with a power series expansion or longest division technique. Put on the heading as power series expansion and longest division technique. So before that, let's try to make a formula for your inverse. So what was the definition you went through with your Z transform, guys? So what was x of Z? What was Z transform formula? X of Z equals to
Summation of n is equals to minus infinity to infinity.
Minus in plus infinity x of
n into z to the power minus n.
Minus n. Correct now? So this
Yes.
was your time domain. So you know how to expand this by giving the values from minus into plus infinity. You know how to expand this. Okay. So now we'll incorporate such type of problem using your inverse concept. So the thing what I told is power series expansion method or longest division technique. So it's a 10 marks question. We'll go with a small question straight away. Right on the first one. Obtain inverse Z transform. Obtain inverse Z transform for the following signals. For the following signals using power series expansion method, or longest division technique. Both are same, guys. So sometimes they may ask power series, sometimes they may ask longest division technique. So both you are supposed to perform same thing. Okay. Written a question heading. Shall you go with the question now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So go with the question. First one. So x of z is given as 2 plus z raised to minus 1 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 z raised to minus 1 with the ROC greater than 1 by 2. So it is like z is greater than a. So you have to solve this using power series expansion method or longest division technique. Okay. Have you went through with this concept called power series expansion or longest in your mathematics? Anyone? Huh? Oh, full Sunday of yeah. Have you went through with a longest division or power series expansion method till now in mathematics? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what are the things I should divide now? Whether I should divide numerator by denominator, denominator by numerator. Yeah, guys. I need to divide.
Numerator by denominator, sir.
So how to divide this? So I hope you remember a procedure, right? So there was a longest division technique like this. So I used to write my denominator here and numerator like this. Correct? Is it how it looks? Okay, let me write little bit above. So let me write here. So whatever the question we have given, the denominator will be here and numerator will be here. So I will just mark above so that answer will be visible. So 2 plus z raised to minus 1, 1 minus 1 by 2 z raised to minus 1. So this is the technique I used to apply by what? Longest division method or power series expansion method. Okay, now tell me what value I should give here such a way that I can cancel this.
2, sir.
Good.
2, sir.
So if I give 2 here, so it is 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into this is minus, it will be what? Is it 1 by 2, sir, or only z inverse?
Z inverse, sir.
Only
Z
Z inverse.
Okay, then I should do subtraction or addition. So
Subtract.
here minus, here plus. I hope this concept you remember, right?
Yes, sir.
So because of that, 2 to get cancelled. What is this answer? You're going to cancel it also.
We add them up.
You're going to add. Good. So it is going to become 2 z raised to minus 1. I hope understanding, right, everyone? How to do a longest division technique procedure?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good. What is next procedure here? What is next I should give here? I should cancel this means what I should give?
Plus 2 plus 2 Z inverse.
Plus 2 z raised to minus 1. Correct now? Whatever term I want to cancel here, that should be reflecting there. That's all. Yes or no, yeah? So now multiply this here. So it is 2 z raised to minus 1. Then again minus z raised to minus 2. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Good. Again subtraction here, addition here. So this 2 got cancelled. Here it is z raised to minus 2 left out. So is it fine till here, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So what is next I should give here?
Plus Z to the power minus 2, sir.
Good. Plus z raised to minus 2. So multiply that z raised to minus 2 here. Then minus of minus, plus of minus minus only. So it is going to get what now? Z raised to minus 1 divided by 2.
Sir, Z raised to minus 3, sir.
3, sir.
Oh yeah. Minus 3 divided by 2. Nothing but 1 by 2 into z raised to minus 3. Correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
again, same procedure. This to get cancelled. What is left out now? It's 1 by 2 z raised to minus 3. Understanding, everyone? So do you think there is an end for this? It will be keep generating, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, yeah? So if you keep dividing, you're getting the answers n number of, it will be going so on. So till where you should take is a question mark. So you can take at least some 4. Then you can end the problem and you can put that answer will be your final answer. Am I clear? Everyone, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now tell me that let me take few more values here. You know what I should take? What I should take here?
1 by 2 Z to the power minus 3, sir.
Look at this and tell me it's 1 by 2. So So if you take plus 1 to z raised to minus 3. So multiply this there and this will get cancelled. You take one more value. So it means I can put plus so on. So it will keep generating the thing. It is not going to become 0. That is why it is called as longest division technique or power series. You can see here this expansion -1, -2, -3, -4, so on. Your series are expanding. Am I clear till here to everyone? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys. Audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So like you can continue. So now what is the conclusion is x of z, the division technique what I had, I got this answer. So still z, I need to get that in inverse form. That is a conclusion. Correct now? So to get that, what we should do? Need to apply that what? Or no? Shall I proceed? So let me keep down. So therefore, of that is doing this longest division technique. Don't end the problem there. Still the problem has not ended. I want to get x of n. Clear? So we know that x of z is equal to. So the question was, where is that? 2 minus z raised to minus 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 z raised to minus 1. So this is what the question was given in the problem. So for this, I have applied, I think it's plus, yeah. I have applied my longest division technique. So because of that, we got answer as 2 plus 2 z raised to minus 1, z raised to minus 2, 1 by 2 z raised to minus 3 plus so on. Is it okay guys till here? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So if you take next number, I think is it 1 by 4 z power minus 4? The next number.
Yes, sir.
So it would at least take till z power minus 4. Okay, if you take next, it is 1 by 8. Then 1 by 16, 1 by 32. It will be keep recurring. Okay. So from this, can I write directly x of n? Can I get the sequence of x of n, guys? Everyone? What a sequence you can expect. So can I write from this 2, 2, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, so on as my x of n sequence? Can I?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
is it audible, guys? So this is the way you need to get the answer for inverse Z transform. Is that okay till here to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now we will try to solve a few problems which is generalized one. Instead of giving values like this, if they just give a generalized, in the two categories are there. So now what we have calculated is your Z greater than A. So there are two more concepts where we have less than concept also. So then there is a slight change in the division technique that will go ahead. So before that, we will try to solve a generalized form now. Is it okay? Shall I move on? So go with the next question. Obtain the inverse set transform of the following function. Obtain inverse Z transform for the following function. X of Z is given as 1 divided by 1 minus a z raised to minus 1, where ROC is greater than a. So same problem we can solve for a z less than a also. That we will discuss later. So now how we went through with this z greater than a concept with the previous problem. Same way, let's try to analyze this. So what I should divide now? 1 minus, this should be 1 here. Okay, now tell me what value I should give here?
One,
What
sir.
value I should give here? Good. If I give 1 here, it will be 1 minus. So you're going to do subtraction here, addition here, 1 get cancelled. Left out is a into z raised to minus 1. Good. Next. Plus
A into Z inverse, sir.
a into z inverse. Good. So this is going to become 1 minus. So a z inverse minus 1. Correct? Then again minus. Is it going to become a square?
Yes, sir. A square into Z to the
A
power minus.
square into z power minus 2. So again this is got cancelled. This is a square z raised to minus 2. Understanding here, same technique. We have not got any values here. It is just a generalized one. Okay, next proceed. Plus a square z raised to minus 2. Correct now? So a square z raised to minus 2 minus a cube z raised to minus cube. Is it so? Again subtraction. So a cube z raised to minus cube. So we'll take one more and we will write so on. So plus a cube z raised to minus cube. So a cube z raised to minus cube minus a power 4 z raised to minus 4. I hope you have understood, right, till here? Am I clear till here to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now you can see here how the power of z is there. Is it negative power or positive power?
Negative power.
Negative, sir.
Negative power. So always remember, whenever you solve a longest division technique for your z greater than a, so a will be having positive power and z will be having negative power. If you do reverse concept, you have to get reverse answer. So before that, is this okay till here to everyone? So just mention plus so on. So don't keep solving the things n number of times. You just solve for 3 to 4 trials, iterations, that is enough. Is it okay till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you conclude the answer now? Conclude the answer. Conclude the answer. So don't leave here. You have to conclude and got the answer. Let me. So the x of z, what was given? Divided by 1 minus a z raised. So plus one. So now tell me what is x of n for this? How? I hope you remember we did z transform for something x of n here. What is x of n? How you can take a sequence 1 comma a square a cube so on. Correct na yaar? So what is the answer for this x of n? How it is? Is it like a power into u of n? Yeah, I'm audible, guys. Is it like a power into u of n?
Yes, sir.
So you can conclude the answer in this way. So this is what ultimate. See, earlier what you used to do? They used to give x of n for you. From this you used to get x of z, correct? Now it's a reverse concept. So from the answer you have to get back the question. That is converting frequency domain to time domain. So I hope you got a logic how to perform a longest division technique if it is z greater than a. Am I clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Good. So same problem. Let's try to analyze using z less than e. Then we will check out a slight difference. Is this okay? So one thing I told you clearly, if it is z greater than a, the powers will be negative for z. If you go with respect to z less than a, it means this power will become positive. Am I clear? Shall we move on with that? Everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So let's move on. The same question. Less than a. So how would you should divide? So look at everyone. Whenever you get less than a slight change you should do while doing division, guys. So you need to make this question in this form: a raised to z1 plus 1. Okay, now. So now division will happen like what? Minus a z raised to minus 1 plus 1 divided by 1. Now tell me what value I should multiply here.
1 by a into z inverse.
1 by?
A into z inverse.
No, you just look at this. So I want this term to be here to get cancelled. So what number I can give here? Is it minus a inverse?
Yes, sir.
Correct na yaar?
Z by A, sir.
So what I should give here? Is it minus a inverse?
Into Z, sir.
Into z. See, ultimate goals are clear that I should do reverse operation what we did for z greater than a. So now z less than a means this is how the slight modification you're supposed to do, I said. So now if you multiply this, what is the answer you're going to get here?
1 minus A inverse Z, sir.
1 minus a inverse z. So here what is going to get cancelled, guys? Your 1 is going to get cancelled. Yes or no? So this is going to be added. So z raised to minus 1, a power minus 1 into z. What is next? What is next? So minus is here. So what I should give here? I should get plus here. So again I should give minus. Is it minus?
Minus A to the power minus 2, sir.
A power minus 2 into z will happen z raised to
Z square, sir.
z square. So if you do that, what is the answer here? So this will become what? A power minus 1 z will get then minus a minus 2 z raised to 2. So this to get cancelled. Left out is a minus 2 z raised to. I hope understood or not, everyone? A small change what you should do with respect to z less than a. Am I clear here or not? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now proceed. Again what you should give, guys? It is minus 3 z cube. Correct na? So likewise if we keep moving, minus 4 z power 4, so on. So that if you give here corresponding longest division technique, you are going to occur. Now look at the power. You can see differentiation now. Z square cube 4. So positive z you are going to get, which was not there in case of your earlier category. That is a slight change from previous division to this division if it is z less than a. Am I clear till here? Am I clear till here?
Yes, sir.
So after this longest division, so what is the answer, guys? So this is the answer. So you can write x of z is equals to, so 1 by 1 minus a inverse whatever they are given. So we got this as a longest division answer. So ultimate thing is what? Ultimate thing is what? I need to get my x of n. So what is x of n here? What are the coefficient you can take? So coefficient a power minus 1 will come first or a power minus 4 will come first? Yeah. A power minus 4 will come first or a power minus 1 will come first? It is infinity to plus infinity. How I should write, guys?
A to the power minus 4, sir.
So it means before writing x of n, you rearrange your x of z there itself, such a way that it should be like minus infinity to plus infinity form. I hope you understood the thing what I told. So it is like so on behind. So behind it will be so on. So in front also, so on. Is that okay till here? So from this, what is x of n now? Minus 4. So is it minus or plus here? I think minus only, no? So everywhere it is minus, correct? So minus cube square minus 1. Is it okay? So from this, what's the conclusion, guys? What is this answer now? How it is? So for less than a, I hope you remember the formula, what you got for less than a. What is the formula? You can see u of n is towards negative side. So you should get u of minus n minus 1. What is a? It is like a power minus n. So is it the answer for minus a power n into u of minus n minus 1? Is it the answer? Yeah, guys, is it clear till here or not? Am I clear? How to do a inverse Z transform for the given Z transform. Now the question is frequency domain, how to convert back to time domain. So these are two different techniques you need to incorporate while solving Z greater than A and Z less than A concept. So if you say okay with this, let me give a few problems for you to solve. Yeah, guys, is it okay till here? Shall we move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Put on this question. I want to solve now. Obtain the inverse Z transform. Obtain the inverse Z transform for x of Z. So x of Z is given, guys. X of Z is equals to 1 divided by 2 minus 4 Z raised to minus 1 plus 2 Z raised to minus 2. 1 divided by 2 minus 4 Z raised to minus 1 plus 2 Z raised to minus 2 by longest division technique. By longest division technique with the condition ROC exists for Z greater than 1. ROC exists for the condition Z greater than 1. I hope you can solve this, everyone. Yeah, you can solve this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. So you got a hint that it is greater than a concept means you have to do first technique. So it means divide this as it is by this 1 and tell me what are the answers. 2 minus Z square. Okay. So what value I should give you?
1 by 2,
What
sir.
number I should give you? How much?
1 by 2.
Good. 1 by 2. So if you multiply 1 by 2 here, what is the answer here? It's 1 minus
1 minus 2 Z inverse.
so Z
Plus,
minus
Z
1
to the power minus.
plus. Is it so? Is it so? So this will get
Yes, sir.
subtract, this will get add, again this is minus. So what is the thing I should write here? It's 2 Z raised to minus 1 minus Z power minus 2. Okay, now tell me what value I should give here?
Plus Z inverse, sir.
Good.
Z inverse.
Yeah, others understanding right what I am doing here? Is it fine? Proceed. Multiply this. Tell me the answer. 2 Z raised to minus
Z.
1. Again minus 4 minus 2 minus 2 Z raised to minus q. Is it correct? Is it okay?
Yes,
So
sir.
again subtract plus plus. So is it, how much is this? So is it 5z power minus 2 or 3z power minus square? How much? This is 4,
3
this is minus.
3 z to the power minus.
So plus 4 minus 1 means it's going to become 3z power minus 2, again plus 2z power minus q. Okay, na? So likewise, you show at least for 3 to 4 iterations, then you can write continuously, not an issue. So again, what number I should multiply?
3 by 2 z to the power minus 2, sir.
Good. 3 by 2 z power minus 2. Because this term should get cancelled means I need to put some word. What is that? It's 3 by 2. So multiply this here. So is it 3 z power minus 2 now? I hope understood everyone. Plus minus next. So is it 3 by z means what? It's going to become 12 by 2, nothing but 6 z raised to minus
6 z
3.
to the power minus 3, sir.
6 z raised to minus 3. Good. Next.
Plus
Again,
3 z to the power
plus
minus 4, sir.
3 z power minus 4. Again, this will get cancelled. Here plus is there. So this is going to become 5 z power minus cube minus 3 z power minus 4. I hope you can understand this concept right now. So on. You can add one more and you can put so on. Is it okay? Yes, everyone?
So that's 6 z to the power minus 3, sir. Sorry, 4, sir.
Which one? Yeah.
The
Per minus
the
3.
difference term, sir.
Yeah. Correct. So there is,
8, no, sir.
it's plus, yeah, it's 8, right? It's 6 plus 2, no, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
So I think this is, what out is correct till here? Check out. Z square minus 2 minus 4. So is it minus or plus? Is it minus?
Sir, it's plus.
Sir,
one,
it's
sir.
plus, sir.
Yeah, here I did mistake. See here I think it's positive only, right? So this is plus. So I think here we get minus. So because of that, this will be 4 only. Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay here? Yeah. So be careful while doing a symbol minus and plus. So is it okay now? So what is next? After 3 by 2, what can be given here? Plus?
Plus 2 z to the power minus 3.
If I multiply 2 z power minus cube with respect to over 2, I'm going to get 4 z power minus 3. So you can put plus so on. So don't keep doing this only. Give some 4 to 5 iteration, you can stop here. So now we have to conclude the answer. Yeah. So x of z. So whatever question was there, that you can simplify it as 1 by 2 So since it is z greater than a, the z power are in negative. So what is the answer for this? X of n? X of
1
n
by
is
2
equals
comma
to
1
1 by 2, 1,
comma 1 comma 3 by 2 2
2, so on.
and so on.
Okay. So now it is in which form?
n by 2 into u of n.
N by 2 into u of n. Will get u of n here? Will you get u of n, guys? So it's 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2. Is it like n plus 1 by 2 concept? Look at the things and tell me. See 1 by 2, then again 1, 3 by 2, again 2, then again next term will be. Is it 5 by 2? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah?
sir.
So it is like n plus 1 by 2. So whatever n values are there, plus 1 divided by 2 concept. So can I conclude that is it in this form? Just check out and tell me. If I give this n plus 1 by 2, is it matching with this answer?
Yes, sir.
So you need to check and debug the answer. There is no u of n concept here. U of n means there should be a continuous 1. then only I can mark it as U of n. Okay, now. So that completes x of n is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. So I hope everyone got the logic till here. If anybody have doubt with this longest division technique, let me know, guys. Is it okay? Shall I give one more problem? Yeah? Is it okay? Shall we move on to next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Solve this. So x of z is given for you. X of z is given as z divided by 2z square minus 3z plus 1. So the condition is z greater than 1 only. Okay, solve this. So what you should make, guys, whenever you see such kind of question, so this is the condition, it says greater than 1. It means I should have everywhere z inverse. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So how to convert this to inverse now? So I need to simplify this to inverse. Then only I can apply my longest division. See, don't blindly apply this the longest division technique. According to question, you should go. Yeah. So your z inverse should be negative power, right? For greater than a concept. So how to get z inverse here?
Sir, we put it as put z as z inverse.
So you can take z as z inverse. Okay. Divide by what will happen here? What will happen there? See, concept is simple, guys. Look at here. Whatever the highest power is there, if you divide that, you are going to get the answer. Correct? Yes or no? If you divide both z square on this, it's by z square, nothing but z1 by z, nothing but z inverse. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So always whenever you get z by z concept, and if it is greater than a concept, you need to make sure which is the biggest power, divide by the term, you're going to get the equation in terms of inverse. Now tell me, after knowing this, what is your logic of inverse equation? So numerator I can write as z inverse because of this. I am dividing by z inverse. So here z inverse will get cancelled. It is 2 minus 3 by z square means it is like 3 divided by z plus 1 by z square. Is it how it looks? Okay, let me write generally only. This is how it looks, guys. Is it okay till here? So this I can write as what? Z inverse whole divided by 2 minus 3 z power minus 1 to z power minus 2. Is it what thing I wanted to apply my longest division technique? Is it okay till here?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now once you understood this, from here onwards, same procedure. Since it is greater than a, you can do a normal division how you used to do. So divide that and tell me what is the answer. Two minus 3 z raised to minus 1 minus 2 and z inverse is here. Okay. Now tell me what number or what value I should give here.
Z inverse by 2.
Z inverse by 2. Correct? Everyone agree?
3 by 4 Z inverse.
Pardon? No, first term
Yes,
is
sir.
Z inverse by 2. What you're telling is that is next one. Correct, Nayar?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you take Z inverse by 2, so what is the answer you're going to get here? Is it Z inverse only? Multiply this with this complete term and tell me what is the thing. So it is going to 2 to get cancelled. Z inverse minus 1 is left out. Then
3 by
minus
2 into minus 2.
3 by 2 Z raised to minus 2. Good. Plus
1 by 2 into Z inverse
1
minus.
by 2 Z power minus cube. Correct, Nayar?
Yes, sir.
So again this will get cancelled, here plus, here minus. So it is going to be 3 by 2 Z raised to minus 2 minus 1 by 2 Z power minus 3. Yeah. What is the next value I should give? Yeah, you told no, Bharat, what is the next value you told? 3 by 4?
3
Yeah.
by 4 Z power minus 2, sir.
Plus 3 by 4 Z power minus 2. Good. So substitute that. So the first answer is 3 by 4 Z power minus 2. Correct? Then? So
So
minus
that's 3 by 2, sir.
how much?
Sir,
How
the
much,
first
yaar?
term-
9? 9 by 4 correct? So 3 by 4 into 3, nothing but 9 by 4 Z raised to minus cube, again plus 3 by 4 Z power minus 4. Is it okay? Yeah, I hope you understood right this one. Proceed. Subtract this. This is going to be addition. This is going to be subtraction. So 9 by 4 minus 1 by 2. How much? Nine by 4 minus 1 by 2. How much, yaar?
7 by 2, sir.
7 by 4 Z power minus cube and minus 3 by 4 Z power minus 4. Okay. What number I should multiply here now? Yeah. What number I should multiply here?
Seven by 8 Z power minus 3.
Good. 7 by 8 Z power minus 3. Correct? If you multiply that, I am going to get 7 by 4 Z power minus 3. So I hope you know what the logic everyone now. Next. What is the next answer? 7 by 8 into 3. It means 21 by 8. Next. Plus 7 by 8 Z power minus 5. So like this, we can continue for 2 more values and we can end the sequence. Is it okay, guys? Till here, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Good. So you can conclude the answer, yeah? So you can conclude. So this will be your answer. So if you represent that in a x of n form, just write the coefficient in the x of n. So you can get the coefficient, that's all, nothing else. So x of n will be equal to, what are the answers? See behind this, Z power minus nothing is there. Constant is not there means you should take it as 0. Correct, na? Yes or no, yaar?
Yes, sir.
So straight away the value starting from Z power minus 1, it means behind nothing is there, constant, we'll put as 0. Then 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 7 by 8, so on. So this is a conclusion for your inverse Z transform first concept, longest division technique. I hope you understood the logic till here. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. So the next class we will deal with a partial fraction.